इस रेसिपी को उर्दू में देखने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद लिंक को क्लिक करें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू Asma's kitchen. I am Asma. Today I am going to share really delicious recipe of potato biryani. Give it a try and let me know your feedback, and watch this video till the end for recipe card. Right, let's get started with the recipe of potato biryani. So you will need rice 3 glass or 750 gram already soaked, potatoes 1.5 kg in big chunks, garlic 1 tablespoon crushed, ginger 1 tablespoon crushed, onion 4 medium sized, turmeric half teaspoon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, orange food color 1/4 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1 tablespoon, prunes 6 to 7, whole coriander 2 teaspoon, chili powder 2 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, cloves 6, cinnamon stick 1, black peppercorn 6, bay leaf 2, nutmeg 1, mace 1, star anise 1, green cardamom 2, black cardamom 2, green coriander a bunch, mint a bunch, green chilies 10 to 12, oil 3/4 cup, roux cabra essence few drops. Now take 2.5 liter water in a big pot and add 2 tablespoons of salt and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling, so I am adding soaked rice and will let it cook until they become half done. Now I will drain it. Now in another pan add oil and heat it up with 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add onion and fry it until it becomes pink. Then add garlic and ginger and stir fry it. Then cover it for 5 minutes so that onion become tender. Now stir fry it a bit more. And add potatoes and stir fry it again. And add turmeric, chili powder and mix it. Now add bay leaves, black cardamom, green cardamoms, cinnamon stick, cloves, black peppercorns and star anise and mix it again. Now I am adding 2 cups of water and mixing it. Then add orange food color and mix it again. Now let it cook with covered lid until potatoes become tender. Now I am breaking nutmeg and putting half of it in grinder. And adding mace, white cumin seeds, whole coriander and fennel seeds in grinder. And now grind all the ingredients. Now it's grinded. Potatoes are completely tender now. So I will add this grinded spices and prunes and cook it for 5 minutes with covered lid. Now I'm adding 1 cup of yogurt and will let it cook for 5 more minutes. Now I'm adding green chilies and lemon juice and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now in the same big pot, firstly put layer of potatoes, then boiled rice, then gravy only. Now mix little amount of water in orange food color and pour it over rice. Then 3 to 4 drops of roux quevra essence, green chilies, green coriander and mint, and spread it and cover it and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Now I am mixing it. It is well mixed, so I am serving it into a serving dish. That's it, biryani is ready, and serve it with yogurt dip. You will get its recipe in description. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share it with your family and friends. Subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Leave comment below and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you will be notified when I will upload a new video. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.